Hey, welcome to Just Inside Banana. I'm really excited about the quality of this video. Today I have my brother behind this new camera. So in this video I'm going to be taking apart a vacuum cleaner that I maintenance on a weekly basis. So we get to see what's inside. Alright, here it is. Let's get into it. Wow. Look at that. That's very surprising. Just kidding. This is not the first time I've taken apart this vacuum cleaner, but this time you guys get to see it. So, let's go. This is the fan for the vacuum cleaner. This is what blows all of the dirt and air into the dust bag. There's the motor. And here's the switch. This switch was sitting right here with this on top of it. And this is the button that you push with your foot. So it just pushes down that button right there. This is the gasket to the motor, and it keeps all the air from escaping through the side where it's housed. Good thing I took this thing apart. I typically fix all of the vacuums, and this belt, if you can see that, it's pretty torn up. Yeah. Okay, goes right there. So, when this is on there, this motor sits right there, and this fan's attached to it. And the cool thing about it is when the motor is turning inside of there, it's blowing the air in a circular motion, and it directs it straight into the dust bag, which is attached right here. And the reason I say it's more like a blower is because other vacuums suck the air down into the dust bag and out the other side. But for this in particular, what it's doing is it's taking the air and the dirt and is basically throwing it, blowing it into the dust bag. Right here I'll show you a difference between the vacuum here and maybe newer models with more advanced techniques.
Cinderella, will you be there?
So here's the motor and here's the fan. What's happening is the air is being sucked in from the top through the dirt bag that is catching all of it, and then there's also a filter that is keeping all of the small particles from getting to the motor. But what's happening is here's another filter, but the air is being pushed through this filter out, but the air is clean because all of the dirt is being caught by this dust bag and this filter right here. So the difference between this is the air is being pushed with the dirt into the dust bag, which is filling up with dirt. But in this one, it's being sucked into a dust bag before it reaches the motor. So there it is. This was a really fun project. I'm glad you guys got to experience it with me. What I thought was really interesting is how many parts were in this vacuum. And also what I found was intriguing is how the vacuum more resembles a blower than it does a suction vacuum. So I will see you in the next video. Guys, I forgot how to put this together. Wrap!